Hello, everyone. My name is Normla Flores, aspiring to assume the role of Director of State and Legislative Affairs for CABE. As a first-generation immigrant from the Philippines, I've always had a deep desire to be involved in our state legislative affairs, particularly concerning matters impacting our multilingual learners. In my current role as an assistant professor at Cal Poly Pomona and as a former bilingual classroom teacher, I've had opportunities to leverage my voice alongside fellow advocates dedicated to advancing multilingualism, biliteracy, and equity. If given the opportunity to be the Director of State and Legislative Affairs, I would be privileged to represent CABE in coordinating and contributing to the much-needed legislative actions on behalf of our shared mission. Bilang isang henerasyong imigrante mula sa Pilipinas, mayroon akong malalim na pagnanasa sa mga aspetong legislatura ng Estado, lalo na tungkol sa mga nagsasalita ng maraming wika. Bilang direktor ng Estado at panglegislaturang gawain para sa KABE, layunin kong gamitin ang aking tinig kasama ang mga kapwa tagapagtanggol sa pagpapalaganap ng maraming wika, biliterasyon at katarungan. Kung may pagkakataon, ito ay isang karangalan na maging kinatawan ng KABE, magkoordinar at mag-ambag sa aksyon ng legislaturang para sa ating pinagsasamang misyon.